Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro Max from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Metro. Y'all guys have 3 storage options: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. 4 color options. Y'all guys will have white titanium, black titanium, natural titanium, or blue titanium. So it looks like the iPhone 15 Pro Max is out of stock at Metro here. It looks like all 3 storage options could be out of stock, which would not surprise me. So anyways, y'all guys have front and back of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Y'all guys have your card out there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button, triple camera system there in the back, camera flash, Apple logo. Back right side, back of the phone, like I just mentioned, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. Right side has your power button and your antennas there. That's a closer look at the triple camera system there in the back, camera flash of course. And then there is the front of the phone again with the cutout for your dynamic island. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 gigabyte version can be yours if you guys get a brand new number for $1099.99 for retail price is $1199.99, or if you bring your number over to Metro, you can get it for $899.99. So you're saving $200 on that. So that is pretty cool. The 512 gigabyte version is out of stock as well. So it looks like all the stores are out of stock currently. If you get a brand new number with Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabyte version, $1299.99 for retail price $1399.99. If you put your number with the Metro, you can get it $200 off at $1099.99. So that is pretty cool. And of course, the 1 terabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max is also out of stock as well. You can get that if you get a brand new number of Metro. You can get the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 terabyte version for $1499.99 for retail price $1599.99. If you put your number over the Metro, you can get the 1 terabyte iPhone 15 Pro Max for $1299.99. Alright, so pretty cool there. Features: it has a pro camera system, 48 megapixel main camera, ultra wide camera, and telephoto camera lenses in the back, 12 megapixel ultra wide front facing camera, 6.7 inch OLED display, 2796 by 1298 pixel resolution, 29 hours of talk time. Other features include, like I just mentioned, 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion technology. So basically, you can have your iPhone 15 Pro Max at 120Hz, forged in titanium, game-changing A17 Pro chip, customizable action button, action mode for smooth, steady handheld videos, USB-C connectivity, which is needed to the iPhone 15 line, emergency SOS via satellite and roadside assistance, crash detection designed to make a difference, iOS 17 of course, splash water and dust resistance, Apple Care warranty, 3x optical zoom in. iPhone 15 Pro Max forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. Quick facts about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. When will the iPhone 15 Pro Max be released? September 22nd, 2023. What colors are available for the iPhone 15 Pro Max? The iPhone 15 Pro Max is available in 4 colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and blue titanium color options. What are the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro Max? The iPhone 15 Pro Max has 3 memory storage sizes: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. Specs: the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Type-C charging, of course, that is new to the iPhone 15 line. Connectivity options: Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC with Freedom Mode, Voice over LTE, A17 per chip, iOS 17. Of course, there is no external storage because this is iOS. You have 4G, 4G LTE, and 5G, of course. Supported email platforms. Hearing aid compatibility is there. Wireless emergency alerts. Mobile hotspot, of course. Your frequencies there. The iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces. Dimensions. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.29 inches in height, 3.02 inches in width, and 0.32 inches in depth. Alright, so pretty nice there. What comes with the iPhone 15 Pro Max is, of course, your iPhone 15 Pro Max, your USB-C charging cable, and your documentation, and that is it. So you sign yourself in the box there. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, so keep that in mind. So yeah, there you guys have the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Metro by T-Mobile, currently out of stock. All stores items are out of stock at Metro right now, so that sucks. So if you guys get a brand new number from Metro, you get it for $100 off the retail price, which is pretty sweet. However, you can even get a better deal. If you put your number with the Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 Pro Max for $200 off the retail price, which is pretty sweet. So definitely a incentive there to switch to Metro and stay for a while. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is like the best iPhone, of course, this year, of course, because it has all the features that you guys want in an iPhone. It has the 120Hz refresh rate, Type-C charging, the titanium feel and whatnot. I wonder if it's stainless steel. I wonder if it's scratch resistant. Probably is, maybe. I'm not sure. It has the triple cameras. It has the dynamic island. It has all that. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the top dog iPhone this year. So check it on out. It's definitely worth checking out. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.